So first is doc type, then HTML, the head. Then we will start with our title, which is my personal website. Then after that, the background, and then the body. The body, we start with H1, which is my welcome to my website, and then H1, which is my name also. I am Trisha Inogar, and then the picture, which is Trisha JPEG. The height is 310 with the width of 300. Then after that is my personal info, which is my name, my section, my birthday, and then contact numbers, hobby, address, and email. We did also like that the same in my partner, which is Crystal May Eldatran. We also make the H1, which is the Crystal JPEG with the height of 300 and the width of 300. And there also is about her personal info, about herself, her belief, her height, her birthday, her hobbies, and her address. We also put our hobby, and then the last in our coding, we also insert video, and then we close it. We close the body, and then at the last is we also close the HTML. So here is the result of our website.